Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal mirror display stand. And so this display stand may or may not end up with a pedestal in the end. We'll see as we go along. What you will need, you'll need some of these teardrop pendants, and they're from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this Bling Wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzled. You will also need some of these Rhinestone Buckles from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need a glass candle holder, and it can really be any shape you like. Just in case we decide to make a pedestal base for our display stand, you can use this as the base. So I've got this kind of like a tulip shape, so I'll be using this. You're also going to need some foam board, and I have a scrap piece of foam board here. I will be using my scrap foam board first before I go to use up a new piece, but you can find a really large piece at Dollar Tree. Now this is cut to an 8 by 10 size, and you will need one of these mirrors from Dollar Tree. It can be any frame mirror that you like from Dollar Tree. It doesn't have to be in a gold frame because we won't be using this. Now I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project, but any components that you like to make permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, did this crystal mirror display stand turn out absolutely beautifully, and it was so easy to make. Now I'm going to show you several different ways that you can use this display stand. You can use it just how I've done here by adding some crystal napkin rings as the feet on the display stand, or you can use it with a pedestal, or you can just use it without any pedestal or any feet on it at all. So I'll show you several different ways to use it, but let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.